Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And here, I'm sure you can tell where I'm at. You see those yellow tags in the background. I am here at Dollar General in the laundry aisle. You guys know I love my laundry detergent. And this deal that I am about to show you guys is an amazing, amazing deal. I'm going to say it's a run deal simply because the shelves may empty very fast, not because it's a glitch or anything like that, just because it's such a good deal. And if you wait to do this deal tomorrow on Saturday, it will be a money maker. But I'm going to do the deal today because I have a lot of couponers in my area. And I know that the shelves will be empty by tomorrow, so I can't take the chance. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these deals for super, super cheap. You can't beat it either way you do it. But before I jump into the deal, guys, make sure that you have your Dollar General app downloaded, and make sure that you have that connected to your Ibotta app or linked to your Ibotta app, however you want to put it. Make sure that you do that because you need that in order to make this an amazing deal. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscription button if you're watching me on YouTube, and then hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. But if you're watching me on Facebook, then hit that follow button. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to jump right into this deal. So what we're going to do, we're going to focus on these Downy Rinse and Refresh products, or you can get the Tide Clean Boost, totally up to you. I'm going to focus on the Downy Rinse and Refresh because that's the better deal, okay? So what happened is in the Dollar General app, there are digital coupons for these, which makes these products even better. You see here, as the sign says on the one that's $6.95, there's a $2 digital coupon, so that brings that down to $4.95. And then here's the $12.95, which is the bigger bottle. There's a $3 digital coupon, so that brings that down to $9.95. And those coupons expire on January 6th, which is Saturday. So you only have a few days to do this deal. Now, what popped up today in our Ibotta app are some cash back offers, and that is what makes this deal amazing. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So the first thing that we're going to grab is we're going to grab this big Downy Rinse and Refresh, okay? It is $12.95, and I'm just going to scan it just to double check that the shelf price is correct. But I checked my app before I left the house, and I believe that is the right price. Okay, so my internet connection is like slow here, so hold on, let me see what's going on here. Okay, I just had to connect to the internet. Okay, so yes, it is $12.95. Now, you see here, there is a $3 digital coupon. We're not going to use that. That makes it a good deal. That makes it $9.95, but look, here's another digital coupon that we have that is $5.50 off. So we want to use that one instead of the $3 one. Now, if you already have the $3 one clipped, that is the one that's going to come off at the register. So I hope you don't. We want to use the one that is $5.50 because that gives us the better bang for our buck. Now, we're going to get $5.50 off at the register. But because we have our Ibotta account linked to our Dollar General account, we're going to be able to get a rebate back from Ibotta. And this rebate just popped up today. So, and I'm not sure if everyone has it or not, because like I said, it just popped up today. I haven't been able to really talk to anyone or check with anyone. But I know I have it on both of my accounts. So look. There's a $5.50 rebate that popped up. And like I said, you can use it on the Tide Boost or you can use it on the Downy Rinse. I'm using it on the Downy Rinse. But you can only do it one time. And you see it doesn't say anything about coupons or anything like that. So you should be okay. So let's talk about how much this product is going to actually be out of pocket for us. So the product is $12.95. We're going to use a $5.50 digital coupon, and we're going to use a $5.50 Ibotta rebate. Look, guys, $1.95 from $12.95 to $1.95. That is amazing, right? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in our cart. And now we're going to focus on the small Downy rinse and refresh. The same exact product, it's just we're getting a different scent because my store, they do have it. So here they have, you see they have the same lavender in the small one, but then the small one they have ocean mist and cotton clean. But my store doesn't have it in the big ones, which is okay. Because so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to focus on the smaller ones. Now the smaller ones are cheaper, of course. The smaller ones are $6.95, and just like the bigger one, there is a digital coupon in your Dollar General app. So let me show you. So it's $6.95, and then there is a $3.50 digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon. Do not clip that $2 digital coupon. We want to use the $3.50 digital coupon, okay? So we're going to use that. And just like the bigger bottle had an Ibotta rebate, so does the smaller bottle. So let me show you guys that one. So it's the $3.50 digital, plus Ibotta is going to give us $3.50 back, just like the digital coupon. And I'm going to show you guys that. See, here it is, and it doesn't say anything about coupons, but look, on this one it says it's a limit of 2, so you can actually get 2 of these, and with that you can get the $3.50 back on both of them from Ibotta. But look, you can use the $3.50 digital coupon, and you can use the $2 digital coupon in the Dollar General app. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to get 2 of these. So I'm going to get one of the lavender, and I'm going to get one of the cool cotton. So let's do the math, okay? So if you do one, okay, one of them is $6.95. You have a $3.50 digital and a $3.50 rebate from Ibotta. That's going to be a $5 moneymaker just on the small one if you just do that. But if you do 2 of the small ones, okay, it'll be $6.95 times 2, which brings you to $13.90. You're going to minus $7 that you're going to get back from Ibotta. You're going to minus the $3.50 digital coupon and the $2 digital coupon. So that means 2 of them is going to cost you $1.40 or 70 cents each. That is still a good deal, guys. So I don't know about you, but I think it's an excellent deal. So that's what I'm going to go do. And again, like I said, I'm not waiting until Saturday. So this is what I'm getting. Now, if you waited until Saturday, then this would definitely be a moneymaker for you, okay? Because you would pay $6.95, and you would get both of them so that you could get your up to your $25 to get your $5 off 25. So you would pay $6.95 for both of those, plus the $12.95, which would bring you to $26.85. Boom. Now you're up to enough to get your $5 off 25 coupon. So when you minus the $5 off 25 coupon, the $3.50 digital coupon, and the $2 digital coupon, and the $5.50 digital coupon, now let's minus what we're going to get back from Ibotta, which would be $3.50 twice and $5.50. Look, that's a $1.65 money maker for you. Guys, that's an excellent deal. I hope I did my math right, but like I said, I'm not waiting till Saturday. I'm going to go ahead and do this now. But you can also submit your receipt to the Procter & Gamble for the rebate, and I'm going to attach that information at the end of the video for you. So let's head up to the register and let's see how this all works out. Okay, guys, so I'm back home. Let's go over the receipt. So there is the Downy $12.95. You see the $5.50 digital coupon came off. There's the Downy for $6.95. The $3.50 digital coupon came off of that one. There's the other Downy rinse for $6.95, and the $2 digital coupon came off of that. So my subtotal was $15.85. You guys know we don't deal with tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, or borough. Now, when I linked my account to Ibotta, I got back $12.50 from Ibotta. So I got back to $7, which is $3.50 for each one of the small Downy rinse and refresh. And then I got back the $5.50 for the large Downy rinse and refresh, which comes to $12.50. So when you minus the $12.50 from the $15.85 that I paid at the register, that means this entire haul, the 3 Downies, cost me $3.35. Now, what I was telling you is hold on to your receipt, because P&G is always doing rebates, and they have a rebate right now that ended on December 31st, and you have to submit by January 15th. But usually what they do is once the 15th is over, they'll put up another rebate. And that rebate will probably go from all your purchases from January 1st. So hold on to your receipts just in case they put one up, but I'm pretty sure they will. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support for the channel. I hope you guys are able to go out and do this deal. And again, if you wait until tomorrow, Saturday, and do the deal and use your 5 off 25, then this will be a moneymaker for you. Until the next time, keep on saving.